Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to show you guys one way to use this tool. This is a tool that I got from Beadcraft, and you can make even jump rings or even circles on wire. I'm going to use this rose gold copper wire. It's 20 gauge. So let me just get started. I'm also going to use the flush cutters that I got from Beadcraft. What I'm going to do today is I'm just going to share an easy way to make jump rings out of different wires that you may have, different colors. I got all kinds of colors because I've been collecting for a few years the wires. So like this black, I got this super cute colors. This reminds me of Halloween, but I'm just gonna do it with the rose gold today. Really quick, really easy. So all I do is kind of close to the camera. I'm gonna choose a size. I will link the tools down below, but I will also include what size is each level. I'm just going to go ahead and add the tip of the wire onto this side here that is bigger than this side. And I'm just going to turn it. And what I'm going to do is let go and turn my tool back and do it again. Bring it back again. And that way I'm creating my my jump ring. So I'm gonna speed this up. So I'm just gonna make that many. And you can also leave them this way and use it as bead spaces. Doesn't necessarily have to be cut. You can just use it in your jewelry or in your bead project, paper craft projects. So this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to take my side cutters. I'm actually going to cut from here down. And I just put some jump rings. So it's pretty cool. Now I can make my own jump rings, different colors, and with this tool. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.